Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial you will learn how to use picture-in-picture mode in YouTube. As of making this video, YouTube app is not supporting picture-in-picture mode. While there is a chance of Google updating their app, there is a workaround that'll let you use the peep mode right now. Simply go to YouTube on Safari, Chrome or Firefox and play a video. Then access picture-in-picture mode the same way. Either tap on the peep mode icon or go home. At this point you can drag the video around, resize it or swipe it out of the screen to listen to the video playing in the background. That's it, now everybody's wish is a reality. The only thing left is for YouTube to actually update their app to support picture-in-picture mode. What's your favorite YouTube channel to watch and why? If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And make sure to press the bell button to be the first to know about our new videos.